Let me ask you something. What happens when the world's most hyped car company starts losing its shine? Is it bad luck? Tough competition? Or something darker? Tesla's sales are crashing and the reasons will shock you. First, Elon Musk. The man who built Tesla into a cult brand is now its biggest liability. Nazi salutes, far-right rants, conspiracy theories. Would you buy a car from a CEO who acts like a villain in a bad Netflix documentary? Customers are fleeing, and Tesla's reputation is burning faster than a Cybertruck's rust. But it's not just Elon. China is destroying Tesla where it hurts. BYD, NIO, Xiaomi, these aren't just competitors, they're executioners. Better tech, lower prices, and none of Elon's baggage. Tesla's old guard models look like flip phones in an iPhone world. The Model Y? Basically the same since 2020. Meanwhile, China pumps out EVs like TikTok trends. And here's the silent killer nobody's talking about. Tesla's own customers are turning into its worst enemies. Early adopters who once evangelized the brand are now warning friends away, complaining about plummeting resale values, nightmare service experiences, and the sinking feeling that Tesla prioritizes hype over real innovation. Social media is flooded with viral videos of rusty Cybertrucks, autopilot fails, and owners trapped in cars because the door handles froze. When your most loyal fans become your loudest critics, you don't just lose sales. And here's the kicker, Tesla's quality is a joke. Panel gaps, phantom braking, software glitches. Buyers are tired of being beta testers. Why pay premium prices for a car that feels like it was assembled by interns? Toyota and Ford are laughing all the way to the bank with hybrids that just work. But the biggest threat? Tesla's own hype. Full self-driving? Still a pipe dream. Cybertruck? A $100,000 meme. Robot access? Maybe in another decade. Elon's distractions, X, rockets, AI cults make Tesla look like a side hustle. Meanwhile, interest rates strangle demand, and price cuts scream desperation. So here's the real question, is Tesla the next Apple, or the next Blockbuster? Drop a comment, I read every one. And if you want the full autopsy of Tesla's collapse, hit subscribe. This channel grows because of awesome viewers like you. Starting a channel is scary, but your support means everything. If you liked this, please subscribe, it motivates me to keep creating.